This year, my friend ordered 25 pounds of the most incredible Georgia peaches from the peach truck, and she brought them over so we could make jam. Jam is pretty simple to make, and you only need a few ingredients. We used the recipe from the Ball Canning Jar cookbook. You just need sugar, pectin, lemon juice, glass jars for canning, and peaches. The first thing we did was cut X's on the bottom of the peaches and blanch them to make it easier to remove the peels. You don't have to blanch them, especially if they're super ripe, but it helps. Once the peels are all removed, we took out the pits and cut the peaches into smaller chunks. Next, we added the peaches to the pot along with the pectin and then the sugar. It ended up being a ton of sugar, so we made sure to stir well while it cooked down. It took a while to come to a boil because of the amount of jam, but we eventually got it to the right consistency. While the peaches were cooking, we sterilized the glass jars in a water bath to prepare them for the jam. Once the jam was ready, we started carefully ladling them into the jars, making sure to leave a little space at the top. After the jars were filled, we added sterilized lids to prepare them to be processed. When canning fruit and veggie preserves, it's important to process them in a water bath to make sure they are properly sealed. It allows them to keep over long periods of time. After about 20 minutes, we removed the jars from the water and let them cool. We ended up with a crazy amount of jam, and we canned about less than half of the 25 pounds overall. I think I counted at some point and it was about 700 ounces, but it's honestly the best peach jam I've ever had. I've given away a few jars to friends and family, and I've used the rest to add to biscuits, ice cream, sauces like honey mustard and salad dressings, and drinks like teas and lemonades.